Hi guys, do you want to laugh? Listen to this. This is an old school Marlboro mountain bike. Yes, the ones that don't break. In fact, it's so old, it doesn't really break. In fact, it's got Shimano gears that don't really well. They still actually work. Now, that's the crazy thing. I bought a £250 mountain bike, and these Shimano gears all fully work. They've never let me down. It just about breaks. The seat that I've got here, I got that from the scrap man. I got the tyres from the scrap man. In fact, my mate just gave us the bike originally, so I put a few freebies on. Now, as I say, you can leave this anywhere, no one's going to nick it. It's not going to break. It's practically indestructible. So the only thing is, it weighs an absolute ton, so it's great for working the backs of those legs. But I'm going to ride it and show us some old school. I've got the light works. I'm going to try again. Yeah, you need your feet to stop. Brakes still work on it. Never let me down. I've had a punching off in. Oh yeah, I spent £1 at the pound shop for this really high quality lock, as you can see. But definitely retro, definitely old school. And if you see one, your neighbour's probably going to get rid of one. You'll see it at the scrapyard for free. Get yourself one, even if it's a ride into the post office for a laugh. Well worth it. And why not? It's lasted longer than 2 mountain bikes I bought from Stockton Cycles, so keeps going. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this, check out my channel. I'll see you in the next one.